When you look at all the household objects around you, do you ever think about what they used to be like in your grandparents' time? Can you imagine how difficult it was when people didn't have computers? Think about music. There used to be huge gramophones with records. Then there were cassette players soon replaced with CD players. And now we just download all the music and songs we want onto our digital music player or smartphone. Talking of phones, have you ever used a rotary dial telephone? You certainly couldn't carry that around, and it didn't take photos or selfies. Some objects haven't changed so much over time, like scissors, which have just become lighter and cheaper. Other things we take for granted, like hairdryers, weren't so common. Many people used to dry their hair in front of the fire. Think about watching TV. The big, heavy television sets have long gone, and now we all have flat-screen smart TVs. Something else we take for granted is electric light everywhere. I'm not saying our grandparents didn't have electricity, but lights were less efficient and they didn't used to have LED torches.